Hi guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman. I want to thank you so much for stopping by our YouTube channel today. And in today's video, we're going to talk about high-ticket affiliate marketing. And even if you're brand new, okay, we're going to give you some insight to help you make an educated decision if high-ticket affiliate marketing is for you or not, okay? So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you don't miss a beat when we go live, and also create valuable content like this just for you. Now, what is high-ticket affiliate marketing? High-ticket affiliate marketing is a way for you to earn a higher percent of commission for just making one sale, okay? So let me give you an example. So if you're selling two types of products, right? The first product is you're selling something for about $100, and then you earn about, let's say, $50 commission off of that $100. Well, you just earn a 50% commission, right? Now you made $50 off of that sale. The other equation is you're selling something for about $5,000 and you earn a $2,000 sale. Still one sale, but you're earning a lot more for that sale. Now, what's great about high ticket affiliate marketing is most systems that are out there for high ticket affiliate marketing help you understand how to build a high ticket affiliate marketing business from scratch, okay? This is what's great about the high ticket affiliate marketing programs out there. Now, you see, not everyone's created equal, so you have to really do your due diligence and really check out what's right for you. Now, I got started in 2008 with high ticket affiliate marketing, and what I've learned is that when you earn a higher percent of commission on a sale, you can actually go really far with your business. And if you're earning a small commission, well, you gotta you gotta work harder to earn even more income. And most people want to fire their boss. And if you're like me, I wanted to fire my boss and I wanted to be free. So what I did was I wanted to make sure that my income was equal to what I was earning at work. And then from there, I wanted to earn double that. And once I doubled my income at home, I was able to fire my boss and walk away from my job at Best Buy at Geek Squad and able to live, the freedom lifestyle working from home, okay? Now, is this possible for you? It absolutely is if you are really serious about learning, high ticket affiliate marketing. Once you start earning higher ticket commissions, you can actually invest more into your advertising. When you invest more into your, advertising, you're able to literally capitalize more and create more consistency in your income. The problem with a low ticket offer when you're trying to sell something that's low ticket, like I said earlier, with $100, you tend to have to do more. And what we like to call a higher customer lifetime value is actually a lot less than a high ticket affiliate program, okay? So learn more about high ticket affiliate marketing, do your due diligence, and figure out what works for you. Now, what I did for you in this video, below this video, I left a link. You can click on it and get some free information, and you can get started, and then you can go through a bootcamp series and learn what high ticket affiliate marketing is all about. So that way, if you learn the proper information, okay, you can start learning effectively how to grow your business the right way and not the wrong way. There's a lot of hype out there. I'm gonna let you know right now, this is true high ticket affiliate marketing and getting the finest education on the internet, okay? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. I wanna thank you so much for stopping by this video, and I'll see you on a new live very soon. Take care, bye now.